Fauzan from Indonesia.
Sheikh, I have some confusion from your two answers. It seems contradict each other. The first answer was when someone pour water to a solid najis and the water doesn't overwhelm or remove the mass of najis, then the water becomes najis. Sahih?
Sahih.
But in your second answer, when someone spills some water to the floor, then the water move and spread around the floor and accidentally touch a cat feces, then the water doesn't become najis.
Yes, because...
Right?
Akhi, you're mixing up. How many times did you send this to my website?
You have not answered this, because
I've answered you, but after I gave the first answer, and you keep on asking again and again and stalking me in Twitter. Anyhow, listen to me.
Okay.
The second question is related to the water spreading and touching a cat feces or an impurity. Now, your understanding is this makes the whole water electrified, as if it's touched an exposed wire of electricity. So the water here would become also najis because of this area has touched this impurity. And this is not true. The first question is pouring water, and the water is coming over a pile of crap. Excuse my French. It's coming over a piece of stool, and it spreads. Everything that touches it becomes najis because the mass is there and the whole water that spreads from touching it. So it's a different question totally, a different scenario. We have a small piece of poop, cat poop, and the water is here pouring. So the water flows and a little of it touches this poop. You want me to say that the whole area now has become impure, and this is not the case. So I pray to Allah Azza wa Jal, this is the last time we ever discuss this. And I don't know if I said this or not. It's easier for you to get rid of the cat so it doesn't poop that much.